Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to share with you the top 9 profitable niche business ideas for beginners. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or turn your passion into a full-time business, we've got you covered. From e-commerce stores to personalized gifts, we'll explore a variety of niche business ideas that are both profitable and beginner-friendly. So, if you're ready to take the leap and start your own business, stay tuned for our top 9 list. An e-commerce store. An e-commerce store is simply an online store where you can sell products to people around the world. The best thing about an e-commerce store is that you can sell just about anything that you want, and you can do it from the comfort of your own home. You can start by selling products that you are passionate about or have knowledge of, such as handmade crafts, beauty products, or pet supplies. To start an e-commerce store, you'll need a few things. First, you need a product or a few products that you're passionate about and want to sell. You'll also need a website or a platform to sell your products on. You can choose from popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Once you have your website set up, you'll need to find a way to promote your products to your target audience. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are great places to start. Now, let's talk about some tips for running a successful e-commerce store. First, make sure that your website is user-friendly and easy to navigate. You want your customers to have a positive experience when shopping on your website. Second, provide excellent customer service. Respond to customer inquiries and complaints in a timely and professional manner. Third, offer competitive pricing and promotions to keep customers coming back. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you don't need to keep inventory, and you act as a middleman between the supplier and the customer. This means that you can start your own online store without the hassle of managing inventory or shipping products. Here's how it works. You choose a niche product and then find a supplier who can fulfill your orders. You then promote the product on your website, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. To start a dropshipping business, you'll need to choose a niche that you're passionate about and research potential suppliers. You can find suppliers on popular platforms like AliExpress or Oberlo. Once you have your suppliers lined up, you'll need to set up your online store. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to create your website. Now, let's talk about some tips for running a successful dropshipping business. First, focus on a specific niche or product. This will help you target a specific audience and establish yourself as an expert in that area. Second, choose reliable and trustworthy suppliers. Make sure that they have a good track record of delivering products on time and in good condition. Third, provide excellent customer service. Respond to customer inquiries and complaints promptly and professionally. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is the process of promoting products or services through social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. With billions of users on these platforms, social media marketing is a great way to reach a wide audience and drive sales. To start a social media marketing business, you'll need to have a strong understanding of social media platforms and how they work. You'll also need to have excellent communication and marketing skills. As a social media marketer, you'll be responsible for creating and executing social media campaigns for your clients. This includes creating content, managing social media accounts, and analyzing data to measure the success of your campaigns. Now, let's talk about some tips for running a successful social media marketing business. First, specialize in a specific industry or niche. This will help you establish yourself as an expert in that area and attract clients who are looking for your specific expertise. Second, build a strong portfolio of past campaigns and successes. This will help you demonstrate your skills and expertise to potential clients. Third, stay up to date with the latest social media trends and best practices. Social media is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay ahead of the curve to remain competitive. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative or other support services to clients remotely. This can include tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, conducting research, and social media management. As a virtual assistant, you can work with clients from all over the world and enjoy the freedom of working from home or anywhere you choose. To start a virtual assistant business, you'll need to have strong administrative and communication skills. You'll also need to be organized and able to manage your time effectively. As a virtual assistant, you'll be responsible for managing your own workload and meeting your clients' deadlines. Now, let's talk about some tips for running a successful virtual assistant business. First, specialize in a specific niche or industry. This will help you attract clients who are looking for your specific skills and expertise. Second, build a strong online presence through social media and a professional website. This will help you reach potential clients and demonstrate your skills and experience. Third, provide excellent customer service. Respond to client inquiries promptly and professionally, and deliver high-quality work on time. Blogging. Blogging is the process of creating and publishing written content online. As a blogger, you can write about any topic that you're passionate about, whether it's fashion, food, travel, or technology. With the right approach, blogging can be a great way to make money online and build a following. To start a blogging business, you'll need to have strong writing skills and a passion for your chosen topic. You'll also need to be willing to invest time and effort into creating high-quality content that engages your audience. As a blogger, you'll be responsible for creating and publishing blog posts, promoting your content on social media, and engaging with your audience. Now, let's talk about some tips for running a successful blogging business. First, choose a specific niche or topic to focus on. This will help you establish yourself as an expert in that area and attract a loyal audience. Second, invest in a professional website and design that reflects your brand and personality. This will help you stand out from the crowd and attract more readers. Third, monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and advertising. This will help you earn money from your blog and turn your passion into a profitable business. Online courses. Online courses are a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others while making money. With the rise of e-learning, there is a huge demand for online courses on various topics, from business and finance to personal development and health. To start an online course business, you'll need to have expertise in a specific area and the ability to create engaging and informative content. You'll also need to be familiar with the online course creation process, including selecting a platform, creating course content, and marketing your course to potential students. Now, let's talk about some tips for running a successful online course business. First, choose a topic that you're passionate about and that has a strong demand in the market. This will help you attract students who are interested in learning from you. Second, invest in high-quality production values, such as professional audio and video equipment, to create engaging and informative course content. Third, promote your course through social media and other online channels, such as email marketing and content marketing. Personal training. Personal training is a lucrative business idea that involves helping people achieve their fitness and health goals. As a personal trainer, you'll work with clients one-on-one or in small groups to create personalized fitness plans, provide guidance and motivation, and track progress. To start a personal training business, you'll need to have a certification or degree in a related field, such as exercise science or kinesiology. You'll also need to have a passion for fitness and helping others achieve their goals. As a personal trainer, you can work in a gym, health club, or even from home. Now, let's talk about some tips for running a successful personal training business. First, focus on building strong relationships with your clients by understanding their needs and goals. This will help you create personalized fitness plans that work for them. Second, invest in high-quality equipment and facilities to provide a professional and comfortable environment for your clients. Third, promote your business through social media, word-of-mouth referrals, and partnerships with other health and fitness professionals. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is a great way to turn your writing skills into a profitable business. As a freelance writer, you can write content for a wide range of clients, including businesses, blogs, magazines, and websites. The demand for high-quality content is constantly growing, and freelance writing offers a flexible and rewarding way to meet that demand. To start a freelance writing business, you'll need to have strong writing skills and the ability to write on a wide range of topics. You'll also need to be able to work independently, meet deadlines, and communicate effectively with clients. Now, let's talk about some tips for running a successful freelance writing business. First, Specialize in a niche or topic that you're passionate about and that has a strong demand in the market. This will help you attract clients who are interested in your expertise. Second, create a strong portfolio of your writing samples and showcase them on your website or social media profiles. Third, market yourself effectively by networking with other writers and professionals in your niche, and by using online job boards and freelance platforms to find new clients. Personalized gifts. Personalized gifts are a great way to add a special touch to any occasion, whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or wedding. As a personalized gift business owner, you can create unique and customized gifts for your customers, such as engraved jewelry, monogram bags, and personalized stationery. To start a personalized gift business, you'll need to have a creative mind and the ability to work with different materials and design tools. You'll also need to be able to market your products effectively and provide excellent customer service. Now, let's talk about some tips for running a successful personalized gift business. First, focus on a specific niche or target market, such as weddings or baby showers, and create products that cater to their specific needs and preferences. Second, use high-quality materials and work with reliable suppliers to ensure that your products are of top-notch quality. Third, market your business effectively by using social media platforms, word-of-mouth referrals, and online marketplaces like Etsy to reach a wider audience. That's it for today's video on the top 9 profitable niche business ideas. We hope that you found this information helpful and that it gave you some inspiration for your own business journey. Remember, the key to success is to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that solves a problem for your customers. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more business tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.